What is going on, Beamer fam? My name is AJ and you're watching the Beamer Dude channel. In today's video, we're going to be getting the e46 M3 prepped and ready for vinyl wrap. You definitely don't want to miss out on this one, so stay tuned.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul.
Alright guys, so the last time we left off, I informed all you guys that we were wrapping the e46 M3. The car was recently sponsored by Garage Houston. I will leave their information right here. Go give them a follow. They're going to be doing the whole wrap job, but I did inform them that I wanted to do a little bit of the prep work myself. This in no way, shape, or form is a reflection of their work. You guys know it would not be the Beamer Dude channel if I didn't try to do something myself. Now, I want to be brutally honest with you guys. You guys know me. I try my best to do everything DIY, which means that I do things on a budget. Why? Because I want to? No, just because quite frankly, I'm not rich. And when you finally do get your dream car and the paint is less than perfect, you only want to do it justice and you don't want to pay for some shade tree paint job that could possibly make the car drop in value. You guys wondering, no, my paint is not perfect. Instagram does a very good job at hiding imperfections, but as you guys know, that's one thing that I don't try to actively do. My car has a fair bit of body damage in the form of dings from hail damage because this was a Dallas car. A lot of paint issues that don't actually make it across on film and on camera. For example, I have peeling clear coat here. Oh, there's bird crap there. Peeling clear coat here that looks like the previous owner tried to re-clear this section here. There's good clear right here, but there's clear coat peeling here. This is another good reason why vinyl wrap is a great idea, because I can try color out on the car before actually painting the car, which is one of those added bonuses that everyone talks about, but people generally just re-wrap the car instead of actually painting the car the color the car is actually wrapped. Because where's the fun in that, right? So the plan today is to get the car prepped as best as possible. That means removing trim, that means replacing some trim, that means replacing some parts that have dents and some scratches on them so that they don't show through the vinyl wrap.
You know what time it is. Marvin Devine, Hoover, Axel, and you know how we do. Yeah, I got the juice. Big game cool, make them look like cool. Always play it cool, that's the biggest rule. Forget what they doing, keep on doing. Let's go. I've been making loot since like 22. Ask me how I made it right here in the booth. I'm always pursued cause of what I pursue. That's greatness, yeah, I gotta make it, I got things to lose. Boy, wanna get in my crew, boy, you can't get in my crew. Me, XL and Hubo, way too fireable. When this joint drop, better call the troops. And when you hear the drop, better raise the roof. Better raise the roof.
Yo, what's up guys? So right now it's obviously the next day. I spent the whole night getting the car all prepped and ready. It got a little dark on me, so I didn't get a chance to film all that, but you guys kind of got the gist of it. You got the idea by watching me aimlessly, mindlessly removing parts from the car without breaking things, mind you. So right now it's my lunch break. I decided to take a slightly longer lunch break from work. We're heading over to the Garage Houston. We're gonna drop the car off and we're gonna pick a color. So bring you guys along for the ride. I'm gonna introduce you to the shop owner. Josh. He's the owner of Garage Houston. He's the one who actually reached out to me about the sponsorship. And I'll show you a couple of things they're working on at the shop if they still have something there. And show you who will be working on the car. So if you haven't already, go down in the description down below and follow Garage Houston. They just owned a YouTube channel, and I'm going to be doing a lot of work with them in the future. So make sure you guys follow them, guys. They got a lot of good content coming out, a lot of nice builds, a lot of nice projects they're working on. You guys don't want to miss out for that. So let's stop talking. This is probably not the safest thing for me to be doing while I'm driving, and let's get over there. All right, so we're at Garage Houston right now. Just got here, and I'm still waiting on Josh to get here. He had to run an errand. He had to run to the dealership to pick up a part or something. So that gives me some time to tell you guys, to fill you guys in on what we were working on last night, how far I got, and where we are right now. All right, so if we move to the back of the car, you can tell that there was a fair amount of work done on this bumper. You can see right here, there is some work that I had to do to the back bumper because there was damage to it, possibly a slow impact. While the previous owner had the car, maybe someone ran into the back of it with their license plate, it dented in the bumper just a little bit on the polyurethane, so we heated it up with a butane torch, rolled it out with a socket, and then sanded it smooth and primered over it. Kind of the same situation with the tow hook cover there, but that was a lot simpler, and that should be no problem for them to wrap. But the biggest eyesore, the thing that I really could not leave alone, is this damage right here under the bumper. You can see there's a scratch there. I basically took that down to 880 grip, then sanded it completely down with 400, then 600 grip, and left a nice smooth finish so that when they wrap it, you won't see any of this. Now keep in mind, guys, I know that I'm going through extreme lengths to have this car wrapped properly. I just don't want any of the imperfections I was seeing before to actually show through the paint, because the color I'm choosing is going to show a lot of imperfections, and we don't want that. All right, sir, these all yours. Here are the keys. And I'll see you tomorrow, right? All right.
Unknown brain. Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me